In a small American town called Willowbrook, a young boy named Leo lived with his family. He was known for his good nature, always lending a hand and showing respect to others. But Leo had one major flaw. He lacked self-control. He stayed up late, neglected his homework, spent hours on games, and shirked chores. His parents cautioned him. "Leo, without discipline, you can't get ahead in life." Neighbors echoed the sentiment, but Leo just shrugged. "Life's meant to be enjoyed. I do my own thing," he'd think. An elderly retired teacher, Miss Alara, known for her principled and orderly life, lived in the town. One afternoon, after a long game of baseball, Leo rested under an oak tree. He watched Miss Alara tutoring some kids. Sid told him self-discipline is the most powerful tool you'll ever have. It builds character and turns dreams into reality. Leo pondered, could discipline really be more valuable than talent, money, or smarts? After the session, he approached her. "Is discipline really that crucial?" he asked. "Can't you make it in life without it?" Ms. Alara gave a knowing smile. "You'll see for yourself tomorrow, but meet me before sunrise." Leo agreed. When his alarm buzzed the next morning, he desperately wanted to hit snooze. Remembering his promise, he wrestled with his comfort and finally dragged himself out of bed. Ms. Alara greeted him. "You just won your first victory, the battle against procrastination. That's the toughest one." She took him to the community farms at the edge of town. Under the early morning sky, farmers were already at work driving tractors, planting rows of seeds, tending to their land. "Look, Leo," she said, "these men and women are up every single day at dawn. If they skip a day, their harvest pays the price. Discipline is their blueprint for prosperity." Leo observed their focused effort, their tired but content faces. Ms. Alara explained, "Discipline means showing up consistently and doing what needs to be done with integrity. A disciplined person never stays down for long." From that day, Leo transformed his routine. Rose, early scheduled study blocks, balanced screen time with responsibilities, and set firm times for meals and sleep. At first, it was a struggle. His buddies teased him. Sometimes, he felt like giving up, but he recalled Ms. Alara's words. "Discipline means pushing through resistance. Master yourself, and you can master any challenge." Gradually, Leo built willpower. He learned discipline isn't a single act, but a lifestyle. Ms. Alara would say, just like water shapes rock through steady persistence, discipline shapes a life. Small, daily choices compounded into remarkable outcomes. Leo grew into the most focused and admired young adult in Willow. He graduated with honors and started mentoring local youth. People looked up to him, remarking, "Leo's real advantage isn't just his brains, it's his grit." Whenever someone needed guidance, they sought him out. His journey motivated the whole community. One day, Ms. Alara told him, "I'm so proud. Leo, you've won the most important battle, the one against laziness and complacency. Remember, discipline turns ordinary people into extraordinary achievers." Leo respectfully replied, "Ms. Alara, I owe it all to your wisdom." She smiled. "No, Leo. Discipline can't be handed to you. It's built from within. I just pointed the way. You did the work. Self-discipline is the master key to achievement. Small, consistent actions can redesign your future. Overcome inertia. Command your choices. And there's nothing you can't accomplish." The story of Leo and Ms. Alara reminds us that the foundation of lasting success isn't luck or innate talented s. By conquering procrastination and embracing consistent daily habits, you can transform your life, boost productivity, and achieve your American dream. Self-control and personal responsibility are the true secrets to becoming your best self. Start small, stay steady, and watch your goals become reality. Like and subscribe for more motivational stories and life-changing lessons that inspire discipline, success, and personal growth. Share your own journey toward a more disciplined life. In the comments below, let's build a community of achievers together.